Hello there. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make searching for content easy, fast, and effective. In our daily lives, most of us have gotten into the habit of using the basic Google search box, then clicking through the first 2 or 3 pages of results. However, when searching for very specific data in your own company, the search results that you need might not always be the most popular, which could mean clicking through a lot of pages. You can save yourself a lot of time and frustration by understanding the simple but powerful full search capabilities of Confluence right from the start. We will look at simple search, which you can do immediately from the top bar, and also how to generate precise search results using full search. We'll explore powerful one-click options that will narrow your results and search syntax that you can add to your search, making it very specific indeed. We'll also look at the recently viewed option for those times when you just need a reminder of where you've been. Let's jump in. Whenever you need to search for content quickly, just like Google, enter your search terms straight into the search box on the top bar. This is called a quick search. As soon as we begin typing our search term, Confluence offers suggestions for a better match. When we hit enter, our search results are returned and the full search page is open for us. We could also get to this full search page by simply hitting enter in the quick search box. Confluence will search through all stored content that we have permission to view. Search results also include content from add-ons, such as the fantastic add-on Questions for Confluence, if your organization has that installed. So, if you are looking for information, including answers to Confluence questions, then search is the first place to look. From the full search page, we can further narrow our search results to find what we need with more accuracy. On the left side of the page, Contributor allows us to search for content created by one or more specific people. We can also narrow our search to one or more specific spaces or to archived spaces. Archived spaces contain pages and data that may not be relevant anymore, perhaps by simply being too old. However, instead of being deleted, these spaces have been moved to an archive area, which sits apart from the other spaces on your site. Last modified allows us to search between specific dates, while the type allows us to narrow our search to the content types we're looking for, such as pages, blog posts, attachments, or spaces. When we click on the Custom Type option, we can search for more specific types of content, including comments, calendar entries, plus questions and answers if we have the Questions for Confluence add-on installed. Clicking on Add a Filter will give us even more options. You can add multiple filters by simply clicking Add a Filter, making your selection, then adding another filter. Add as many filters as you need to easily create a complex search pattern. As well as the search modifiers on the left of the page, you can enter search syntax directly into the search box. The best way to learn about search syntax is to try it out. To help you, just click on the question mark icon in the search box. This will display the Search Help box, which will guide you through all of the available options with easy-to-follow examples. This includes general syntax, such as and, or, not, plus wildcard characters. You can even create proximity searches, which finds 2 words closely placed to one another, and fuzzy searches, which looks for similar-sounding words. Useful when spelling mistakes have been made, or you're not totally sure of exact names. Finally, if you're simply looking for a page that you know you viewed recently but just can't remember where it is, then just click on your profile picture, top right, and select Recently Viewed. The Recently Viewed box will pop up as a quick reminder of pages that you've recently opened. And that's us. Searching with Confluence is as powerful or as simple as you need it to be. Enjoy and have fun.